So the a plus b equaling 10 means that the total number of provinces, right, whether the origins comes from First Nations or something else, is going to be totaling to 10, okay? And really what this equation, the second one, means is that if I move it so that the minus 2b is on the other side, right, that means, right, 3 times the number of provinces, right, that have First Nations origins will equal to 2 times the number of the other provinces, okay? So if we have this, right, how do we solve for how many provincial names have First Nation origins? Well, we've already set it up so that it has this. If you want to use elimination here, what you can do is multiply this top one by 2. Okay, the top equation, multiplying both sides by 2, you get this, right? Then if I were to add this equation here, so let me just draw a line like that, adding these two equations, the 2a plus 3a will give me, right, 5a, but the 2b plus minus 2b will cancel out. Okay, and then we have 10 here. Okay, that means a is equal to 2, right? Dividing both sides by 5, you get 2, and if I plug this back into the first equation, right, it looks to be the easiest one to work with, then you get that 2 plus b is equal to 10, so subtracting both sides by 2, you get 8, okay? But what's more important is the number of, right, provinces that have names that come from First Nation origins, okay? And that's going to be 2.